In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import tasks with subtasks in Zoho projects. Start by opening Zoho projects and going into the project where you want the tasks to be created. From there, open the Tasks section. This is important because the import option is accessed from the Tasks area, and importing from the correct project ensures your tasks and subtasks land in the right place. Once you are on the Tasks page, look near the top for the Actions or Options menu. Click that menu to reveal additional tools for managing tasks in bulk. In this list, select Import Tasks. This will open the import workflow where you can bring in tasks from a spreadsheet or file and map the columns to Zoho Projects fields. In the import window, use the available selection controls to choose your import source and file. Click the highlighted options in the import panel to confirm the file you are bringing in and any import preferences that are shown. Take a moment here to double-check that your file is the correct version, since imports can create many items at once. When you are ready, click Import to move to the field mapping stage. This is where you tell Zoho Projects how to interpret each column in your file. In the mapping area, you will see drop-downs that often default to none. Find the drop-down that currently shows none for the subtask relationship, click it, and then choose Parent Task ID. This is the key setting that allows Zoho Projects to connect subtasks to their parent tasks during the import. In your file, the parent task ID value should match the identifier of the task that the subtask belongs under. Next, continue reviewing the remaining mapping dropdowns that still show none. Leave them as none if you do not need to import those fields or only change what is required based on what is present in your file. Keeping mappings clean helps prevent data from going into the wrong fields. Finally, click Continue to proceed and finalize the import process. After it completes, your tasks should appear in the tasks list, with subtasks nested under the correct parent tasks based on the parent task ID mapping. That covers everything you need to know.